Hey, I'm Ty with Total Finishing, and today we're going to show you the brand new product we have, the Total Laser. So this is a 300 watt pulse laser machine. It plugs into 120 volt power and compressed air. It needs about 5 CFM of compressed air. So that makes this a job site portable laser cleaning machine. So we're going to show you a couple things today. We're going to clean some finished cabinet doors, even stained doors. We're going to clean some primered metal back to bare metal, and we're going to talk about how the machine works and the safety aspects of it. So the first thing is you always want to have laser rated eyewear, and anybody around you needs to be far, at least 30 feet away is what they recommend, because you don't want this to flash into someone's eyes. We also recommend, if you're going to operate this machine, that you take a laser operator course. That's something you can find online. And we also recommend, if you're working on metal or something that gets hot, that you wear protective gloves, because when you go to pick up the pieces, it could be hot. You also don't want to run this across your skin or anything like that. So you have to be very safety conscious about a laser. This is a class 4 laser. So we'll play with it today and show you the results, but I'm very impressed with it, and I think you will be too. So enjoy our presentation.